Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we are going to look at lantern parade. Let's go. Okay, so we have here a package from Buy and Ship, our trusty online consolidator, and this should contain a couple of consolidated items. One coming from the Whiskey store and the other one coming from auxxit auctions. Okay, so lately there's been a bit of a delay in the shipping of items. Okay, in the Philippines here, we are experiencing a lot of rains and flooding. Maybe that has something to do with it. I really don't know. I'm not sure, but nonetheless, we're happy that these particular items have arrived because it's always a treat when it does. Okay, let's see what we have. I'll probably put it here. Lots of bubble wrap. And I did mention about the Whiskey site purchase, and that is the Lantern Legacy Play at Home kit. Okay. We have two actually, one for Larry and one for me. I don't know why I bought one actually, primarily because I don't have the Sinestro Colossal, but nonetheless, we'll probably use that as trade or tournament pricing. And then included in that is the zombie shark. Okay, so this might be the reason I included one more to get a zombie shark. Okay, so look out for an unboxing video of those items. And the next items we have here, as I said, are boosters from a couple of boosters from the auxxit brick break of Howard. Okay. So by the way, if you have the Colossal Sinestro here locally in the Philippines, give me a message. We'll work something out. Okay, so these two boosters are boosters number 11 and number 19 during the September. I'm not so sure what those means. During the September 19 or September 20 brick break. Okay, and let's see what we got. I think, and we can rate whether we did well or not. It's been a while, so let's go. Booster number 1, we have Gantep. Okay, always a good sign. We have the rare Arquilo. Okay, we had a couple of Arquilo go through our way, but right now we don't have one, so that's good. We have a Blue Dolphin. We have the Batman. Oh no, something's missing. There. Okay. I thought the construct was missing. We have a red Soundwave. Okay, so we also have a couple of these come our way, but we were able to sell them off. So this is our own copy. And the Batman Black Lantern. Okay, let's see. We have a Jessica Cruz once again, team of card. This is similar to one of the boosters in the Seal tournament we done here locally. Okay. And the second booster we have an empty slot, another Blue Dolphin. Let's see here. A rare Kyle Rayner, not Kyle Rayner Black. Okay, we have a Kyle Rayner Red. And, okay, almost freaked out. Okay, but we have here the God Killer Sword. Okay, was able to, this is my third one. The other one I sold, the both two I sold before So this is now my copy of the God Killer Sword. And we have a Sade team up card. Okay, good. Everything seems to be in order. Orange Lantern construct as well. Yeah. So again, buy and ship. Good job. Very trustworthy. Look at my holes. Share your thoughts in the comments. And until the next unboxing, bye.